Hello friends. If you are worried about this blue screen error, then there is no need to panic. For that, I will tell you some tips, so you will get rid of this problem from your computer. Let's start. You have to write, run in search. Click on the run to open it. And this command, you can find in the description. You have to write this command here, and OK it. And, this will be a window pop up. Here you have to click on, Advance and, Apply Repair Automatically. You have to click on, Next while keeping, Apply Repair Automatically checked. So, it will start detecting problems. If there is any problem in your Windows, it will detect that problem. And, also scanning for hardware changes. If there are any hardware changes in your computer, it will also scan them. And, troubleshooting could not identify the problem. So if there was a problem here, it would definitely come here. And you can see here in the view details information that it did not find any problem in my computer. If there is any problem in your computer, it will come here. And, you just have to fix it here. If there is a problem in your computer, you have to click on Fix and fix it. Click on Next here. And if there is no problem in your computer, you have to close this troubleshooter here. A blue screen error occurs when Windows crashes to prevent hardware damage. Next thing you have to do is run CMD as administrator. CMD is the default text-based command line interface in Windows. If it asks for permission, you have to click on Yes. Now you have to write a command here. You will find all these commands in the description. This command will run verification phase of system scan. It scans your computer for missing, damaged, or corrupted system files, and automatically replaces them with a healthy, cached copy. Sometimes SFC cannot fix files, because the backup cache itself is corrupted. By the way, I will tell you that this blue screen is also called BSOD. It will take some time here, I will pause the video. So, here you can see that Windows Resources Protection did not find any integrity violations. And, it has come here again. Here you have to type another command here. I paste that command here. I am telling you that these commands are in the description. Now this restore health and clean up image command will run. And as you can see that it is running. It has come up to 20% from 17%. I also pause the video here, because it will take some time. And, this command has also been executed here. The operation has been completed, successfully. Here you have to type a third command here. Type it and press enter here. As soon as you press enter, it will give you a message here. It will ask, would you like to schedule this volume to be checked the next time the system restart? You have to type Y here, and press enter. After entering, your work is over, you have to close it here. And after that, you have to restart the system. And after restarting, you will see that your computer has been saved from this blue screen error. This blue screen error is no longer there. All the hardware problems or software problems have been fixed. So I hope this video will prove useful to you. And if you like the video, then like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.